gamer. This is Marissa. Hi, Billy. Hi. Okay, here we go. Look how pretty she looks. Yeah, this is her best friend. Her best friend who won the game. Go ahead, Marissa. Here, show them how it's done. What you want, because you...
Wait, I have to check what I want to get. What I can get.
Marissa, don't go for mediocre. I didn't go for mediocre. I got what I wanted. Nadie. Oh, no, es una baile. Una baile de la escuela.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. Oh, she's gonna get Santa. She's gonna get Santa. Oh no. It's okay, Marissa. You still have one more chance. Oh, there's us. Hey. Come on. Don't get Santa. Santa isn't worth this. Get skunk. Get the skunk. No, don't get the skunk, because I don't want you blaming it on me. You get what you... Getting the penguin? Are you sure? Oh, time's almost out, Marissa. You better... Did she? Oh, it's so cute.
Another dollar.
Oh my god. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Are you excited for tonight?
Yes, I am.
Billy eats. Let's go. If you lose, I get the second game. Deal? Deal? Big deal.
But if you get it, I get it.
Fine. I'll do it for you. Second try. Let's see. Let's see. She's not going to. Come on, Marissa. Time's almost out. Marissa, what is it with you and Santa? Marissa, let me show you. Let me show you how it's done. Show you up.
Crap, I did not want to do that.
You ready? There's an earthquake. Did you feel that?
Oh my god.
There's an earthquake. That's why. Let's go to homecoming.